Hello viewers, today we are going to show you how to test the lactic acid percentage of a grain product. The grain product we are using for this purpose is called soya protein or soya grain product. First we measure out accurately 10 grams of grain product in a conical flask. Then we accurately measure 250 ml of distilled water in a measuring cylinder. Then pour the measured water in the grain product. Then mix it well with magnetic beads using a magnetic stirrer. Do this for half an hour so that the grain product and the water mix up thoroughly. After half an hour, stop the magnetic stirrer and let the undissolved grain product precipitate on the bottom of the conical flask. Then using a filter paper and a funnel, filter out all the top portion of the mixture. For this, fold the filter paper in four equal halves. Then place it in the funnel and drop few drops of water so that the filter paper remain still inside the funnel, inside the inner wall of the funnel. Then gently pour the top liquid portion of the mixture into the funnel. Wait for generous amount of time. Then carefully, using a graduated 25 ml pipette out 25 ml of the liquid, that is the filtered liquid, and pour it in a 250 ml conical flask. Add few drops of phenolphthalein solution to the flask. Phenolphthalein solution is the indicator that is going to tell you when the titration is finished. By the way, we are using sodium hydroxide 0.1% solution for this test. The filtered solution should look less opaque than the mixture. After you pipette out and pour the 25 ml solution, take the conical flask and add 0.1% phenolphthalein solution. Phenolphthalein solution is made by weight by volume, that is 0.1 gram of phenolphthalein added to 100 ml of rectified spirit or ethanol. Add the magnet, give it a little shake so that the phenolphthalein solution get incorporated. Then place it over the magnetic star. Pour sodium hydroxide in the buret and place the buret above the conical flask. Before starting the titration, mark the starting point of sodium hydroxide in the buret. Then using your left arm, slowly start pouring sodium hydroxide in the conical flask while the magnetic star is running. This will enable the poured sodium hydroxide to mix thoroughly and give you an more accurate result. Alternatively, if you don't have a magnetic star, you can shake the bottle with your right hand, but be careful not to spill out any of that, since it is not dangerous that much, but it will create wrong result. As you can see, the solution color will now turn pink. When the pink color persists for about 10 seconds, stop pouring sodium hydroxide and take the final reading from the buret. Subtract the first reading from the second reading. You will get the sodium hydroxide, and using the formula, calculate the percentage of lactic acid present in the grain. The normality of sodium hydroxide might vary from lab to lab, from test to test, but you always have to use the same formula, 9 Vn by W, where V equals to the volume of sodium hydroxide and N equals to normality of sodium hydroxide.